So we have arrived in Nagoya, right, the capital of Aichi Prefecture. Just beyond those trees is the Nagoya Castle. This is the entryway to Nagoya Castle. This castle is massive. I think it's one of the largest castles in Japan. So if you take a look behind me, that is Nagoya Castle, the rebuilt castle.
Nagoya Castle was completed in 1612 by Tokugawa Ieyasu. It is one of Japan's largest castles built on flat lands. The air raids of 1945 in World War II burned down the castle towers and the Honmaru Palace. However, some of the corner towers, gates, and screen paintings of the Honmaru Palace survived the fires and have been designated important cultural properties of Japan. The castle towers were reconstructed in 1959, while sections of the Honmaru Palace were restored in 2013.
So based on what the guy told me just now, the general public hasn't been able to enter the main castle for 2 years. And it's not due to coronavirus, it's actually due to earthquake repairs, right? So I guess it was damaged in an earthquake, so they're repairing it right now. So that's the reason why we are not permitted to enter inside. The temperature right now, y'all, 36 degrees Celsius, and it feels like 46 degrees Celsius. It seems like they have a tea house, 9 to 4:30. So given that it's so hot, it makes, just exploring the grounds a little bit difficult or challenging. It's actually pretty intense, the heat. But nonetheless, it's better than a rainy day, right? And this ground is beautiful. This is one of the things that when you come to Japan, I guess it's about starting from the tourist hotspots, then working your way back to less traveled, less visited places. And that's one thing that I'm discovering on this journey, that you do have places that are well known, but at the same time, there are places that aren't well known in terms of on the internet, and also you'll find that not all locals know about every attraction or every interesting thing about where they reside, right? Think about yourself and where you live. How much do you know about the attractions in your country, right? You might just know the tourist hotspots just like everyone else. So not even the locals in all cases will have the insights that you need. So being on this rolling with the Ranzo experience is me experiencing Japan, not necessarily by following the trends or what other people say is popular, but visiting some of those places as well, but also allowing the serendipity of life to lead me where I ought to go. So that's what I'm relying on to make this journey interesting. So far it's been eventful. It's a whole lot cooler now. The sun is behind the clouds. Behind me, I'm gonna head to the Japanese garden, as I said before. Do you see why I love the Japanese gardens now? Like, this is one of the highlights of residing in Japan. An abundance of Japanese gardens, man. Love it. God love it.